Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Rhode Barrier Restore Cream. This product retails for $30. So this is the final product in the Rhode line that I am trying, and it seems to be a very rich moisturizer. Based off the ingredients alone, I do see that shea butter is in here. That is a controversial ingredient. Sometimes that can clog pores. I've personally never noticed an issue with that, but I know so many people do. Go ahead and avoid this product if you know you have a sensitivity to shea butter. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. This product has amazing ingredients in it supporting it, including squalene, peptides, and acai. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. Big things I'll be looking for with this product mainly include, do I personally experience acne with it? What type of hydration does this product leave? And also, what finish does it leave on the skin? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. So this moisturizer is definitely a little bit more rich, and I feel like if you do have more oily skin or you are sensitive to shea butter, you definitely won't want to use this product just because shea butter is the main highlight ingredient. So far it's been the perfect daytime and nighttime moisturizer, but it is the winter time right now. But you can see there that it definitely is a pretty rich cream. It gives a nice, luxurious hydration to the skin. I mean, if you use the entire Rhode line like I've been doing, you are going to be moisturized, you're going to be hydrated. All of their products are based off of hydration, but also some great ingredients as well. This product specifically, I've been loving in my drier areas, such as right there. And it just melts into the skin and creates this really beautiful hydration. But like I said, if you are more oily or you're sensitive to shea butter, you definitely want to avoid this product. The only time I would recommend it is if you are dry during the winter, kind of like how I am right now. I'm not sure if this product is going to work for me in the summer. So far, this product is working great for me. I am still interested to see if this product causes acne, so that will be something I'm looking for. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I didn't personally see anything wrong with this moisturizer, but it wasn't something that personally stood out to me too much. I feel like that $30 is a little bit of a steep price point for the amount that you get with this product. I didn't find myself having to go through it very quickly, but I'm just not the biggest fan of the price point on this product because the ingredients were okay. They're not something that I found anything wrong with. I didn't experience any acne with this product. It was just something that I didn't really gravitate towards. It was a pretty rich moisturizer. I feel like it would be a good option, but if I'm being honest, I saw some similar ingredients with the recently released Inculus moisturizer, their bioactive ceramide moisturizer, and I enjoyed that product a little bit more for a rich moisturizer, and it is $20 compared to this $30 price point. I really didn't see much wrong with it, but I would rather go for the Inculus over this one. This product was just okay. It was not really a standout product to me. I feel like there are some cheaper options out there that would be better than this product, and my current favorite is the Inculus moisturizer. This is still a good option if you're not sensitive to shea butter. This product had some good ingredients in it. It was just nothing that stood out to me texture or ingredient list wise. It was just something that was okay in my opinion. Nothing really wrong with it, but it isn't something that I found myself gravitating toward. And so for that reason, I feel like this would be an okay option. There's nothing really wrong with this product, but it just wasn't something that I personally found myself gravitating towards and wanting to use. I'm going to spend a little bit more time with this product and see if I change my opinion on that, but it really wasn't something that caught my eye at first, and so for that reason, I would recommend going for a more affordable option. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.